Aesthetic YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Watch to the end to learn how to create a similar one. Let's get started the video without wasting a time. First, we will go to Canva and select the YouTube size. Now, to adjust our images, click on the Elements option and search for frames. And adjust the frame according to your images. I adjusted the image in the center without using a frame. Now we will add a cutout image on top of it and give it an outline so that it looks aesthetic and attractive. Paste the images into the frames one by one. Now we will apply a slight blur effect to the background image in the center so that the top image becomes more visible. Go to Shadow, click on the blur option, and select the whole image. You can blur it as much as you want. We will add an outline to the top cutout image and choose the color white. Now, to give the thumbnail a title, click on the headline option and type the text "Study with me." Then choose a nice font. Make the text bigger and place it in the center so that it becomes visible. And change the text color into white. Click on Shadow to apply an effect to the text and adjust it. Choose black as the shadow color so the text looks clear and visible. To make it more attractive and interesting, we can also add some additional titles. Just like I am adding, you can add anything you want. Now we will also give this an effect. And choose the font for this title. After giving the thumbnail a title, we will add elements like stars, doodles, and arrows to give it an aesthetic touch. This way, you can make your thumbnail interesting and eye-catching. This is my favorite part. Add arrows something like this and change their colors into white. Look, our thumbnail is ready now. Thumbnails like this help boost your videos and make your channel grow. To export the thumbnail, click on Share and then on Download. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep bringing you more beautiful and aesthetic videos that will make your channel's content look eye-catching and aesthetic. We have created the aesthetic thumbnail using Canva step by step. I hope you enjoyed the video this tutorial. If you found this helpful, click on the subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.